Welcome to my YouTube channel. Black Teo Prime 12,000 Pops. Disposable pads. Let's open it. This is the seal and the sticker. Let's remove the sticker. This is a device, green color. The flavor is Sparkle Quiz or Lemon Cola. So, at the back of this cover it says, nicotine level 30 mg, pre-base nicotine, capacity 12 ml. Package contains 1 Black Teo Prime Pad. Ingredients: propylene glycol, vegetable glycol, pre-base nicotine flavoring. Warning: keep away from rich children. This product may cause harm and is not intended for pregnant women. And side, you can read, not for persons below 18 years old. So if you are below 18 years old, don't smoke this vape. This only for 18 and above ages. Age restriction. So let's put it. So this is now. And let's taste this flavor. Menthol. It tastes like a Pepsi Cola. And it's very cold. This. So that's all. Please like and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.